I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lord's mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you is like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps this here, and then you're looking for Lord's mobile app, or just click on search. Then here at Lord's mobile app is going to show for you like this here. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on full stop, you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Lord's mobile app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.